Guy just drove by and said that they caught 80 bass. I might have to change the game up and do some bass fishing. This is boring. This is boring. I mean, 80 bass? Damn. Yeah, I might have changed the game up. Yes, sir. Finally got us a bass. Yes, sir. Nice largemouth bass. So I was gonna do the challenge of the worm versus the bread, but I don't think I'm gonna do it here. So I just decided, I had a guy that went by and said they caught 80 bass. So I got to get on this bass thing. So here's the first one right here. Nice largemouth bass in Palm Beach. All right, nice largemouth bass. So yeah, man, let's get it. My bad, man. I think I turned that off on that hit, on the strike. Hey, funny thing. so obviously I made an intro about, I don't even think I'm gonna show it. An intro about doing the bread versus worm challenge. I went to a spot that I usually catch tilapia, and it was slow and it stunk. But some guys went by and said, man, caught 80 bass since this morning. It's now 12:54. So I'm like, I'm gonna start throwing the good old reliable swim bait. And that's 2 so far. All right, and I have a burn nest in the bait caster. So yeah, man, I never fish on this side. The other side is there's a mound, there's always these hills. All right, but yeah. All right, that's 2. All right. I'm gonna try to put this in perspective. I don't know if y'all see that bass right there. Normally in a lot of places, you know, basses are coveted. But I would say up here, especially where I'm at, that the tilapia is coveted and potentially the Mayan cichlid, for whatever reason. You know, a lot of people that come up here to fish, you see that bass just being left. I don't know if it was cast netted and they just didn't throw it back or if something else happened to it. But I would say up here that I find that probably the tilapia is more coveted than even the bass. And obviously the bass is regulated, so that helps. Probably doesn't help its case, but yeah. Yeah, dead bass just chilling for whatever reason. Down the mound we go. Where we stop, ooh, nobody knows. Ah, I lost it. Damn, 2 hits in a row. 2 hits in a row. Ah, fit. Yes, sir. Number 3. Yes, sir. Bad boy hit a thing three times. 3 different times. Nice one. Hey, shout out to the guy that said, hey, he caught 80 bass. Shout out to you, man. Hey, man. Hey, if you don't bass fish, bro, get to it. Get to it, man. It's fun. And you know, I don't have to spend no money to buy no bait. A lot of times I have my bait that yeah, you do have to spend money, because I have my bait that I already purchased off Amazon. The True Send swim bait is what I'm using. I'll show it to you again, man. I just love this bait. All right, man. Appreciate you. I'll show you the True Send swim bait. Works in the Everglades. Works in Palm Beach. Going with the silver. Yes, sir. More casualty of cast net fishing. Look at this. More casualty of cast net fishing right here. You know what I mean? Like, look at it. More casualty cast net fishing right here. Cast net fishing right there. Right there. Right there. You know what I mean? We gotta take care. Yeah, we up here catching tilapias, but you know when you toss your cast net, let's go, baby. We gotta throw the young little back. Throw that stuff back, man. Let's take care of the resource. The water is really shallow on this side, really shallow. So I'm just gonna move to try to and find some deeper water. Find some deeper water. So yeah, stick and stay. All right, see if we get any love on this side. Water's a little deeper right here. It's a little deeper than it is down there. Down there, it's like it gets shallow. I don't know. I just gotta find 3 feet of water. Remember that sign? Oh, that was a hit. That was a definite. Oh, it swam. Oh, that's too funny. It swam in. It swam in. So you see what I'm saying? That was a hit. I was correct. It's just small, and it kept coming. Oh, that's too funny. All right, nice. Number 4. That's too funny. That was a hit. That's the bird nest sound you're hearing, folks. There's a bird nest in the reel. I switched out from braid to mono, and I just got to buy some braid. Come on, baby, let's do the eat the bait. Let's do the twist. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. I'm gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Gonna put the swim bait on the dolphin pole. Man, getting windy out here. All right, dolphin pole acquired. Why do we call it a dolphin pole? Well, it's the dolphin color, teal with the orange. So yeah, the dolphin pole. All right. Yeah, you see all the beds right in front of me. All these tilapia's gone though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Woo. I need something to cook. I need something for my catch, clean, and cook. All right, let me go to fish rules. Bag limit 5. Open. Max size 16. You can keep 1 greater than 16 inches. Max size 60. Oh, so it got to be less than 16. All right, this one look like about 14. So this one will fall into that. This about y'all. This one ain't that. It's not that big. It's big enough though. It's a pound and a half. All right. So we're gonna keep this. I need something to eat up. So yeah. So we're gonna keep this back. Uh-oh. What's in that hole right there? Uh-oh. Yeah, I need something to eat for lunch. So We're gonna keep this bad boy. Yeah. All right. Woo. No minimum, oh, okay, no, okay, notes. No minimum length, only one bass may be 16 or longer. Okay, so I'm good. I'm good. But there's no minimum length, you keep 5, but only one could be longer than 16. All right, so yeah. Fish rules, man, if you're unsure.
Plug through a 9-piece. Okay, bet I'ma handle that. You gonna keep it P? Okay, thanks.
Look at that tornado. I can't see it. Look at that tornado. Look at that tornado in the field. Look at that tornado in the field right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a tornado in the field right there. That's a little crazy. Yes, indeed, you two. We up in Pahokee, Florida. We up in Pahokee, Florida. Man, there's rocks everywhere, huh? I don't know. I'm just gonna throw a couple lines here. You know, you always got to be careful of the of gators and stuff like that when you come down to the water's edge. Hey, how you doing, man? Good, good, good. All right. How you doing? All right, good, good. All right, so I don't know if y'all remember this abandoned marina. And so what I'm noticing, see, that's why you go places and you learn. So over there, they're fishing for crappie, and they got some. So in this area right here, you can catch crappie. That's the next target for me. I haven't done any crappie fishing. I got to find some crappie places, and or sockeye, whatever they call them. I need to find me a crappie place or two. They're catching crappie, but they got a ton of poles out. My God, they got a ton of poles out. But yeah, man, this the abandoned. I think Pahokee State Park is the one thing I saw. You know, some of these boats look like they still are functional, but a lot of them look like they're just sitting here. But it's a beautiful marina. Let's see if there's any fish here. I bet you there's some tilapias here too. I bet you that there's probably some huge tilapias here. Make sure you get your information from the locals, man. So, you had a group of people fishing for the crappies and caught some. They had some laying on the floor, and they're using minnows. You know what I'm saying? And that's one thing you get in the bait shop up here that we don't get in South Florida. Is minnows, the big ones. So yeah, pretty cool. But we're on the road, man. Let's go. All right, man, so we got the bass here. Let's clean that bad boy up. Nice one, not too big, not too small. All right, let's get the oil in. Season up our Palm Beach bass. This is just a home blend. A home blend. To be honest, this seasoning is not even that important because we're stewing it. It's not even that important, y'all. To be honest, the seasoning is not even that important because it is getting stewed. All right, right now I'm gonna take out the I'm gonna take out the bath and let it sit. All right, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna dump off some of the oil. I'm leaving just a little oil in there to saute down. All right, to saute down the vegetables. All right, we have onions, tomatoes, green peppers, thyme, pimento, and a Scotch bonnet, and garlic. All right, let that simmer down. All right, we'll let that simmer down for a minute, and then we'll get to it. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take out the bath and let it sit. All right, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna dump off some of the oil. I'm leaving just a little oil in there to saute down. All right, to saute down the vegetables. All right, we have onions, tomatoes, green peppers, thyme, pimento, and a Scotch bonnet, and garlic. All right, let that simmer down. Gonna get the water. All right, gonna go get some water. The smell of that is amazing. I don't want to. So right now what I'm doing is added the water to the mix. All right, We're gonna let that come to a boil. We're gonna add our ketchup. All right. This is Jamaican brown stew. All right. All right. Gotta add. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to overdo it. How does that bass look, y'all? How does that bass look? I bought these seasoning from Family Dollar General. So, you know, it was onion powder, garlic powder, an all-purpose seasoning. And I think maybe one more seasoning. I don't remember what the last one was. Here we go, y'all. So you see it boiling? We're gonna add our fish. There we go. Gonna add that bad boy. And we're gonna add this one in there. Yeah. We're gonna let them cook down. Ah. Today we're gonna add a little something special to the mix. We're gonna add something to the mix. I bought this. I don't know if I'm gonna find them. Where they at? Where they at? There they go. Water crackers, folks. That's a Jamaican thing. All about this. So, but you know, I don't have any rice or anything. So what they do is they add these crackers to the mix. I don't know when to add them though. I don't know if I should add them now. I think I'm gonna add them now because the fish should not take that long to cook. So I'm gonna add some crackers to the pot. All right, we're gonna add some crackers to the pot. I'm by myself, so I don't want to add too many. Woo! All right. Yeah, I'm going with the head. I'm taking the head. All right, there it is. Hey, so we have pieces of the yeah, cracker. We'll start it back. Those crackers are very like hearty. You can't even taste any of the freshwater muddy taste. None at all. Gotta look up for bones. Taste a little bit of the mother taste, a little bit just there. Scale of 1 to 10, like at a 2, 2.5. Gotta look out for bones, y'all. Brown stew fish, y'all. I'm not finding no bone. Hey, man. I appreciate y'all watching the video. I mean, one thing, you know, my views have kind of gone down. I don't really care. To be honest, I don't care. Um, YouTube is just something I do for fun. I have a job, a full-time job that I enjoy. Um, you know, this is just basically vlogging, you know, my fishing and just giving me some incentive to get out and do some stuff. So, you know, while the views are down, cool. I don't make no money from YouTube, cool. You know, I got monetized. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not really, I got sick. I'm not really tripping on that. But yeah, the people that watch, the loyal subscribers, watchers, I appreciate you. If today's the first time, this video is the first video you've watched, I appreciate you. You know, appreciate a subscribe. Get out the house and do something. Listen, I want to shout out, you know, they ended up losing, man. R.J. Lewis, Reggie St. John's basketball, man. His sister plays for me at Country Day. But man, he's had a great year. Go give him a follow on Instagram. Great kid, loves to fish, loves the outdoors. Shout out to you, RJ. Shout out to you, RJ. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna fight these bones. Ah. Uh, Actually, let me give it back to nature.